Hello, beautiful people. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are well and keeping up. Been trying to save myself from a headache this couple of days, yeah, and yeah, today it hit me. My body is so tensed, yeah, and I'm having a tension headache like at the back of my head here, and it's stress, yeah, stress headache. And yeah, I'll post it right here why I'm stressed. It gets so personal. Sometimes it takes you to dark places, and then yeah, the cruelty of society, yeah. I'm actually not actually ready to actually talk about it. Yeah, it hurts. It hurts. And this news we got on Independence Day, yeah, and it just spoiled my mood. Yeah, it was announced on a group on Independence Day, and it just crushed my soul. And today we are trying to we're actually having a meatless dish. So with this meatless dish, I do not know, should I use lentils or should I use mushrooms or should I use kale? Having kale here, yeah. So this is also a meat replacer. So I'm having lentils, kale, and I'm having like mushrooms here. So I do not know which option to choose, but then I think I'm going to choose two, just to go with the sweet potato. Yeah, I still have to wash these and then just bake them off. Yeah, so I'm actually thinking of a meal consisting of all of these ingredients, and with this headache of mine, I do not know if I'll come up with like a dish. Yeah, just to, because we usually skip a day. Yeah, our meal plan is we skip a day without meat and then we munch on anything. We can even eat cereal at night. Yeah, we can even have oats at night. So I think we are facing tougher times, and then the meal plan should be followed like strictly. There is no time to cheat anymore, otherwise you'll just starve yourself. Yeah, so yesterday we had chicken wings, so today we are going to have a meatless dish, and then tomorrow we are going to have spaghetti and meatballs. Yeah, tomorrow's meal is already planned out. Yeah, so I'm just quickly planning for this meal, so let's see the ingredients. Having in front of me 3 sweet potatoes, the yellow one. And guys, have you guys seen a red sweet potato? Not red, purple. Yeah, I saw purple, but I was just so, like, I don't know, I was shocked even to buy it. So I will go buy it next time, then I'll show you guys. Yeah, purple sweet potato. Yeah, I'll go buy it and I'll show you guys. But this one is a yellow one. They do not really have a white one around here. It's very scarce. And then here are the mushrooms. I'm having kale, leftover kale. It's not yellow, man. Why is the camera showing it as yellow? It's purely green, still fresh. Yeah, this is what I'm having, and I'm thinking of a meal. I know for sure that these ones I'm going to put them in the oven to bake. Yeah, and then this one I have an idea, I'll show you. And then these ones I also just want to fry them off or something, buttery or something. We will see what the thought process is going to give me. Yeah, my flowers are actually getting along well, but then here I had to put up another pot so I can just fill it up, because they were a little bit apart from each other, and I know that thing over there, if he starts playing with it, he will just knock them down. So I just had to put them up there and then fill it up there so that at least his ball cannot get into the way. And my intention for today was to go to that thing there and just do a DIY. I do not know if I'll reach there because it's spray painting, and then This is toy box, and I wanted to do something with it. I'll see. Yeah, I'll see what I can do with it. But then, yeah, some of the toys he has outgrown them, but he just doesn't want to give up on them. Yeah, because when we arrived here, he was like 9 years old, but he doesn't want to give up on them. So that's what we are having for today.
Later.